Hey guys, got a little bit of an update for you guys. I mentioned in one of the previous videos I'm up to a new little project for my company. I'm building myself a little work trailer / gear hauler. I just want to show you guys an update on what's going on, actually beginning to show you what it is. I'll show you in some pictures right now what the trailer used to look like. This thing I picked up, it's an artisanal trailer. It means that it's been home built. You'll see by a few of the stuff that I show you what it is. I'll do some comments on what they're about and show you in the pictures. And now to where we are now. As you can see, all the parts that you saw in the pictures are now taken apart. The only remnants from the old trailer I have now is these pieces of metal, which were the frame, the hubs, the main axle, which is over here, some more pieces of metal right here, and the main tongue bar, which is slightly bent, so I have to get rid of the receiver on it, the hitch. I keep saying that wrong. I mean the tongue coupler. Sorry about that. Anyways, here's a new zinc coupler that I picked up. New trailer plate, which I modified already to fit the light. It's going to go on the back of a box. I'll show you in a few minutes also. Got some tie-down straps, which will be on the inside of the box. They used to hold the box onto a roof, and again, you'll see what I mean by that. So I got the axle down here, which even in itself wasn't that good. The old bearings were seized, and as you can see, the drive home kind of started locking this one up. But the axle is nice and clean. It's in good shape. I just got to clean up the seal point over here, which is covered in gunk. And that should be fine. It's going to be cut down in length, so I'm going to add some supports in the middle and weld it up. I got my little welder over here, 75 amp, which will be perfect for this. I got my mask, which looks old, but is actually fake in plastic, but still really good. So you can see I got a bunch of new hardware, new lug nuts, airbrush for cleaning off the frame before I paint it. Lots of new lights, which you'll see in the picture I'm jacked up, wired up, and put onto the new trailer to bring it home. Still covered in mud. See the brackets for the fenders, I'll show you in a second. New bearings, new bearing kit for 1-inch axle. You can see some of the frame is all hiding all around the shop. I'm cutting it down as I need it. One of the old tires from the previous trailer that you'll see in the pictures. This one's the only one that was okay. The center of the hub, sorry it's a little bit dark, center of the hub was actually messed up and rotting away. This hub is the only one that's decent. The tire's not straight in the least, so it's just being used as a spare tire. Two brand new tires over here. They are 16-inch if I'm not wrong, with an 8-inch hub, 4x4 is the bolt pattern. I got two of those. Got new safety chains. I got new plastic fenders, which will look great with this trailer. And the tongue is down here. You can see the receiver on the other end, but it's finished. It's bent because the guy jacked off the trailer. So I'll come over here, and this is what's going on that trailer. It's upside down right now just because I'm working on the upper side of it, or the bottom side. Got my bike rack, which will be attached on later, and I got, this is what I'm mounting to. So I have here, again, sorry for the darkness, it's a little dark down in the basement. Alright, so I'll be mounting onto the main pieces over here, as you can see by my hand. There'll be supports in the center also. The lights will mount off the box, and I'll show you more of these as I go on. Here's two of the main beam pieces. This is structural steel that I received from a coworker of mine. I'll be mounting these right to that main bar that you saw in the back. Both this will be the front, and this long one will be the back. And those will be the main parts I build the frame off of. It's not a small box. It's 3 foot by 4 foot by 2.5 to 3 feet. It's got to have a light on the inside and a few other things. As we get closer to the date of that, I'll show you how that goes. Anyways, guys, excuse me, just wanted to show you what the projects I'm working on now are. And have a great day. If you have any questions about building this trailer, how to build offset, suspension, anything like that, send me a message or leave me a comment. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.